I understand gear doesn't matter when it comes to create something, but some gears are necessary to enhance your creativity. Fujifilm X-T4 is one of them. Hi, my name is Mayur Mahapatra. I'm a filmmaker and a YouTuber from India. Despite of being such a lightweight and small camera, X-T4 produces amazing image quality even at 4K 60 using a kit lens. I chose X-T4 for primarily video shootings, but it surprises me how good it's for taking photos as well. The real magic happens when your creativity meets the right tool to craft with.